Hello, 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 welcome back to Let's Play with SAXTON. Today I'm going to show you how to get your designs ready to go onto RedBubble. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Photoshop or a sketchbook. Make sure that the image size, 600 pixels, canvas size, pixels, we want it 4350 by 4032. I've got it 600 resolution just so it makes pixels that little bit sharper and it's better for printing on. So there's that. I've already designed my done my design. It's what I'm using for my channel logo. So what I'm just gonna click it and drag it in and then just upgrade the size. Go, just make sure that's centered as well. Get that off. Go. And the next thing I want to do is make sure the background is transparent as well. And I'm just going to save that, save a copy of that, and I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Not that one. There we go, and then I'll just save that as a PNG. As you can see here, be order t-shirt, PNG file, and then just save that where you want it. Now that done, next thing you want to do is go over to your RedBubble. Over it. You want to click upload new work, and then you're just going to grab it from the desktop or wherever you saved it. Open that up. And give it a title. There we go. It's in the eye of the beholder. But you want to give it some tags as well, if you can spell. The more tags, the better. Use me and sign. Yeah. And you can also put a description in. Don't know what I'm doing on capitals. Whatever you want in there, a little description. And down here is put it onto your t-shirts and stickers and whatever else is on there. So if you want to change it around, you can edit it and you can change the size. Change position as well to get what you want. And you can stick it on different colours as well, whichever one you want on. Let's go for I quite like the grey one. That'll be in the front of your shop. And then obviously you go around, you do it for all of them as well. All the other ones, move it up. Put background on, apply changes. So that's how you do your t-shirts. And if you don't want it on, like I say, I don't want it on that, I'll just disable that. Stickers fine, phone cases. I'm going to disable that because I've got another one with the phone case on it anyway. I've just uploaded this one bigger so it fits on to the t-shirts because I only did a small one last time. And if you've got like a pillow and a throw pillow, you can also get repeating patterns on it. You can upload them on there, and it comes up like that. And then you can change the background colour as well. Do whatever you want. Very nice light grey. and again apply changes. And you have to go through and you do this for all the things on here as well. Take off what you don't want again. You can have it on travel mug, you can have it on mugs, scarves, tablet cases, bags, notebooks, cover journals, clocks, artboard prints, acrylic posters, and acrylic blocks. Yeah, like that. Lovely. And you can open your water bottles. You have to scale it down for some of them, and you can go back up and check here that it's actually fitting. It should be a bit more. Yeah, that looks good like that. The water bottles, yep. Canvas bags, socks, pin buttons, and you get max now as well, which is a new one. And then obviously you have to select what media it is, so design, illustration and digital art. Anyone can see it, it doesn't have any mature content, and I have the rights to produce and sell this artwork, and then you just click save. And then it just uploads to your shop. Don't take too long at all to do this. Nice and easy once you've actually got the drawing complete. And that's it, and that is in your shop now. And you can see it on all different products here. There's some t-shirts, nice acrylic block, that's quite nice. You get a sticker as well. Yeah, t-shirts. Yeah, you can pick different colours as well as you go through. Loads of t-shirts, some pillows, some tote bags. A hoodie. Don't like the hoodie because you go right down the middle of the zip. It's like, why? It needs to be like one of them pullover ones, really, I'd say. And it's quite good on a set of coasters as well. So that's it. That's how you add your artwork up to RedBubble. I think you can also use the same dimensions on Amazon. I think they're slightly different for some of the t-shirts on there, but it's close enough, so you don't have to redo it. Well, that's it. At the end of the day, it's easy. It gets your work out there if you want it out there, and it gives you people a chance to support local artists. And I'm on this subject. If you want to order yourself one of these t-shirts, support me. It's the logo for my channel now. I've changed that the other day. You can buy one t-shirts, show your love for the channel, love the support. Also, click the like button, the comment button, and the bell button. And the comment button, put a comment in, then hit comment. You know how it works. And you can do all that. So there we go. That's where we have it. I think that's all I've got to say. And I'll see you next time. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, here is another that YouTube knows you'll also enjoy. And here is my latest video. Also, don't forget to subscribe.